Hi viewers, in today's tutorial we are much concentrating on this diagram, and like I said before, the first thing is to analyze the diagram and to let the commands that are used be placed. Right, for example, here if you look at this diagram, you get to see that there's a line command that has been used here, where we have 70, we have also 22. So let me zoom in the picture so that you see it. Right, this is the picture. So we have the line command here, we also have the line command here. Notice here we have the circle command here and the circle command also here, and we also have the circle command here and the circle command here, and the circle command here, and the circle command here. So firstly we need to locate the senders and how we can get to those senders. For example, this sender, the sender radius 42. So to get this sender, what you do is you need to follow this and analyze the diagram. We get to see that the distance here where we have R22 and R32 simply reflects to us that this distance here to there is 10. So it's 32 minus 22 to get 10. So it means if we can locate the center from here at 70, we drop down here, then from here, because we have identified that this is 10 millimeters, we come from this line to this, we measure 10 to this, and after measuring 10 to this, it means we are in a position to draw any line that is here, which is a vertical line. And from the vertical line you get to notice that we now apply the radius of the circle, because we already have this line here. It means we are measuring 42 going down, and on that position we get to see that from here, if we measure 42 again, because 42 is the radius of this circle, we locate this center, and after locating this center we get to strike this arc. After striking this arc, we also need to locate the centers of these other circles that are inside, and you get to notice that with this center of radius 12 that is here, because we already have this line that is vertical from here, from the 70, we only measure 12 going this side, then we get to put this center line. Then after measuring 12, we get to draw this circle here. So it's actually 12 millimeters from this line, which is here, and you get to notice that we also need to have this circle center radius 45, which is along the circle center radius 12. So what you do is you just measure 45 from here, because 45 is the radius from there to there, then you strike another circle outside. Now we also want to get this circle center that is just below here. You get to notice that to find this circle is so easy. All you need to do is from the circle center radius 12, you measure 53 going down to locate this center and draw this circle center radius 22 and 32. Now after drawing those two circles, we get to realize that there is another circle that is radius 72, and the circle center radius 72 will help us also identify the center of these two circles that are at the outer part, which the circle center radius 106 and 122. So to identify this, we need to apply what is called the Tantan Radius, because you can notice that the circle radius 72 is tangential to this circle and this circle. So by applying that, we get to find the circle center radius. So it's actually radius r plus r, and here also r plus r. Then we get to join this and find, so it's 72 plus 12. We strike an arc from this curve. It's there. Here it's 72 plus, what do you call this, 72 plus 22 radius, and then from this circle we strike another arc outside there. Then we get to look at this center. Then we apply the set square, draw this line going this side at 60 degrees and 60 degrees. Yeah, and 30 degrees and 30 degrees to create a 60-degree angle here. And after doing that, we finish up the drawing by applying these two center circles. So this was the first version of this tutorial. I'm now going into AutoCAD to start to draw the shape using AutoCAD. So check the next tutorial.